Okay, so hey guys, Jamaica here, and I know it's been a minute. It's been a minute. You guys deserve better. It's not you. It's me. It's me. It's not. It's me. But hey, I'm back. Can't believe I just put a laugh track over my own video. There's a lot to update you guys on. Definitely, I know I've been gone for a little bit of a while, but just so you guys know, I never really fully stopped filming. It's just that a lot of the clips that I'm going to show you guys in the video, a lot of them ended up not being complete videos because, you know, I was going through some creative burnout, but I still wanted to do some filming and whatnot. I had to make some priority changes. Nonetheless, still was filming, have the clips ready for you guys to see, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, I'm at Hope Gardens right now. It's a little bit noisy, but yeah, first up, Clarendon. Okay, so hey guys, Jamaica here, and today we're going to Clarendon. Let's go. Guys, tell y'all about this view which I'm about to show you right now. Y'all are gonna flip. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Woo! It's always scary looking. Yeah. So if anybody who dropped down, anyways, love seeing this view. In fact, you see that road right there? That's where we were. Oop. That's where we were. Way down there. Pick some of them. Come on, man. Copyright here. So. Oh no, it have something at the back. That's just eat it without washing it. And for you guys who saw the video where I went 48 hours without technology, if you guys saw the thumbnail, that thumbnail was shot in Clarendon. So here's some behind the scenes footage of that. It's so pretty. I wonder if it's gonna run. I hope it don't run from me. Hey sir, what's up, man? Not sure how many of you guys saw the community post I made where I was promoting my cousin's video. Oof. We actually went to the beach that time, so here's some clips of that. Guys, I'd be lying if I said it was all just fun and games. You know, there was a lot of studying that I had to be doing. So that's a part of the reason why I was gone. I actually had to make studying and putting the schoolwork and making sure that I get good grades and stuff first priority in a sense, and I kind of had to push YouTube on the back burner, and I was also feeling a little bit of creative burnout. So that's a part of the reason why I was gone. But here's some clips of all of that was happening. I hope y'all don't get tired of these day in my life videos, because this is another one. Okay, so it's about 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm gonna study because I have exams coming up. You guys probably noticed by now or not, but I usually wake up early in the morning to get some studying done because I'm a morning person. Caribbean studies and geography and hopefully sociology. And we're gonna go up to like 7 o'clock, so we'll see how that works out for me. To be honest with you, I usually wake up feeling much more tired than I am right now. How do I look? How do y'all like me with the, you know, the new look, the glasses, yeah, glasses. I know, it's different, I know, but how you look, tell me, come, tell me in the comment. The blue light filter glasses, I put them on in the early mornings when I wake up to study, or if I need to edit, I put them on because, you know, blue light coming from the computer, it's not such a good thing to have, like, shining up in your eyes. It can put some strain on your eyes, and it was doing that to me. So I invested in them, invested in myself. I was here just like taking out my books and stuff. I soon come back from the laptop. You know what's crazy? The video hasn't even like fully started yet, and I'm just concerned about when I'm even gonna put this out. I don't know when I'm gonna put this out, guys, to be honest with you.
A few minutes later.
Full.
Later.
Ooh. Breakfast is served. I'm gonna call this next part of it extras because I really don't know what to call them other than that. I was really just recording some random clips, but I went out with my friend Joel. Y'all have seen him in the videos before. We went to UWI to drop off a couple documents, nothing too serious. Then we went to Wendy's because they were the only place that was allowing dining at the time. Alright guys, we're here at Wendy's, the overly priced burger joint. Anyways guys, I'm gonna eat this overly priced food right now because it's so small. Why we buy this big ass drink? It's so much bigger in person than it is on camera.
I got a Baconator, son of a Baconator.
So the Baconator,
that's a pretty good marketing term actually. Like son of a bitch. But son of a Baconator.
Went to Price Mart and shot a few clips. I don't even know why I was recording at Price Mart, but you know, well. Alright, so we're here at Price Mart. Oh my gosh, I'm just remembering guys, the first time I came here this year and on the vlog was in December when I had the vlog titled Traveling to St. Mary for a S'more. Oh my gosh, I wonder how many of you guys remember that one. It's crazy how much people are here right now. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, we get a look of shorts. Price Mart shorts. That's such a big fan. I always think about how big that fan. I got my grad pics. Y'all look at me, I graduated. So for those of you guys who watched the vlog, y'all remember this picture. Y'all remember, here it is. This is how it turned out. I don't look too bad at all. It's probably my best picture, to be honest. Like my best graduation picture. This is probably it. I have the picture of them line up right here. So I'm gonna tell you why. I'm showing you guys why this is actually my best picture. Alright, so this is the basic school one, right? This is the basic school. Pretty simple. Right, then this is the primary school one. Not my best, definitely not my best. Though me no like how I'm slouching and I just overall look weird. And this is the this is probably the worst one out of all of them. This is my this is my high school graduation photo. That's that, and this is this. This is a 611. So you guys can clearly see that this is the, I mean, I'm sure that you guys can agree with me when I say that this is the best one. I don't know what this one was. This was definitely by far the worst one. Why do I look like this? Then of course you have this, my canister. What in the... Anyways, then you have this, my canister. It has my diploma in there. All I know is that I graduated. Your boy graduated from high school. Finally done with the high school. Then pow, pow. Back to whatever it is that you guys were watching, because I don't know what kind of video this is. I had a whole interview, guys, like for a small bursary award for a while. But I have an interview this morning. Oh, for a scholarship that I applied for. Wish me all the best. I have about 2 hours until it starts. I gotta make breakfast. I'll definitely keep you all updated. I mean, this is the setup, the laptop, and I have my light source, the light bulb there, the window being the source of light too. And this is the setup. I have it under these books. But yeah, guys, wish me luck. Really enjoy it, like actually. Wish me luck. This is also like my first interview in like years. Prepared and I'm practiced and all of that. You can see some milk suit with my pants, with my shorts. You know how I go. You know how I go. Guys, the interview went good. Can't complain about it. Now we just have to hopefully hear from them again later on. And yeah, update for you. I got the award. And I had about 3 weeks of exams, and finally got them over with. Here's a little clip on the penultimate day of exams that I was able to get.
Share more achievements among themselves and let their character. Which of the following is not a common achievement of OEC?
And honestly, that's it, guys. Kind of a lot, I know, a lot to kind of take in, but if you've reached this point of the video, I know you're a real supporter, and thanks for watching. I have a lot lined up for the rest of this summer. I hope that you guys will stick around. Make sure to continue watching, make sure to continue liking, and make sure to continue subscribing. And yes, this fly has been bothering me the whole time, but so I'm just gonna end it now. Thank you guys for watching. Shamar Crossfield.